Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite tips and tricks, and this hidden feature is how to make a 4K video your new lock screen. This is amazing, it looks awesome. I have one of my son that I absolutely fall in love with every time I see it. And you can do it because if you know our website, theyoutubetechguy.com, you know you can actually get this really cool fire pit one that I recorded in 4K at night, and it was the best lock screen around until that one. So how you do that is simply by going and picking out a video. The video can be a maximum of 14 to 15 seconds at most, so that's the fire pit one that I have on my website. Go ahead and download it and you can use it. And then I'm gonna have the one of my son. So once you chose the video, by the way, if it's too long, you will be given the option to edit it down, so you can edit it to 15 seconds. Hit this button right here, set as wallpaper. We're gonna set this as a wallpaper. Again, you can't edit it if need be, but if you're good, 15 seconds, set as lock screen, and you're done. Now you have this really amazing looking wall screen that just really highlights everything you could want and need, and definitely stands out every time you want it. So it doesn't drain your battery life. I know people always ask, because it only lasts for about 5 seconds or so. If you don't unlock it, then your lock screen isn't up for too long, so it won't really drain your battery life as much. Now what you don't want to ever do is have a live wallpaper back here. That will drain your battery life a lot. So now you know the difference. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.